What's going on, guys? This is going to be a really quick video because, as of lately, the market, it's been a little choppy, but it's been providing great opportunities. And realistically, my days have been finishing up very early. So I just want to pass along that information of how I'm treating the markets and maybe how you can treat the markets yourself to maybe either protect you, save some cash, or limit those losses. Realistically, what I'm looking at is setups off the open, not particularly the first 5-minute candle. So I know a lot of traders, they like to get in on the first 5-minute candle, whether it breaks high or it breaks low. I need to see a little bit more. Okay, so typically, I need to at least see the first 5-minute candle set up, close, and then I need to see something happen afterwards. So if we look at the chart from today, you're going to notice at 6:35 in the morning we had a nice aggressive candle here. The range is very big. So that's the only thing about trading this early in the morning, is these ranges are very extravagant. 78-point range here, but you can see that we're over all these moving averages. So we're over the 5, 10, 50, 200-day moving average, we're over the linear regression, so forth and so forth. This is a 5-minute 20 SMA play. So for those of you guys who already know, you guys know if you're going to take these trades, when they set up, you're going to take them. Okay, there is no, oh, well, let me wait, or, oh, I'm not going to take this trade. Either you have it in your rules that you're not going to trade until 30 minutes off the open or 15 minutes off the open, then you would ignore this trade. But if you're open and you're sitting at the screens and you don't have it in any specific rules that you need to, not trade within 10-15 minutes of the market, then you need to be taking this trade. It sets up and it confirms, again, you guys know, it's going on almost a month now. 5-point take profit. I'm using a $250 max pain stop loss on a 1 mini contract. Again, as soon as that gets filled, it's going to go ahead and sell me out of there. The next trade that we got, we kind of had a little bit of a double wick test here, a double top, and then we started to lose steam and come back down. So what I was originally thinking is, if we pop and pull back into this 200-day moving average, maybe this area holds for a potential bounce and a run. Okay, but because we're scalping and because we're looking at just these small time frames, small take profits, all I'm realistically looking for is anywhere between 5 and 10 points. I've been telling everyone in Evolution Traders, if you're a scalper, you need to have a price target. You need to understand where you're going to get out. What's your max pain on the potential trade? For me, it's $250. For you, it can be different. Everyone's situation is different. So what I'm looking for is something between 5 and 10 points. Now, it depends on the range. It depends on the momentum. It depends on, how I'm feeling that day. If I wake up on the wrong side of the bed and I'm looking for 10 points, but it's only going up 5, 6, 7, and then going back down and then going back up 5, I'm just going to cut the trade. Some days where you may be trading smaller size. For example, you might be trading 4 or 5 micros. Then maybe you want to get 10 points off the move. This trade here, 7:05 Pacific Standard Time, sets up, confirms. Now you do get another setup here at 7:20, never confirmed, so there's no entry here at 7:20. And then we did get a losing trade here. Now, because I've been playing this market, either 1, 2, 3 trades and then calling it quits, what I'm looking for is I'm looking for one trade between 6:30 and 7 a.m. Okay, that's it. So we're trying to take the long or we're trying to take a short. It doesn't really matter where the bias is. I don't really care. I'm not going to be leaning towards one side more than the other. After I can get 1 or 2 trades in within the first 30 minutes, I'm not taking anything. And again, for those of you guys in Evolution Traders, there was about 10 minutes left until the 30-minute opening range was going to close. And I said, I'm going to wait. Okay, I got to wait because then I want to see the opening range get taken out. So if you notice here, this is the 30-minute opening range. Okay, this is the low here. What I'm looking for after that is I need to see the low get taken out. And once the low gets broken, I'm going to scalp this for another 5 to 10 points. Now, what's going to be the determining factor between the 5 points and the 10 points? It's going to be determining on my mood, on how I'm feeling, on am I looking for a quick scalp? Have I already taken some wins? Do I need to get 10 points? If this is my first trade of the day, maybe I'm looking for 10 points. If this is already going on my second, third, fourth trade sometimes, then I'm going to go ahead and just try to get 5 points. And realistically, you guys can make decent money, like very good money, just trading 1 or 2 hours each and every single day. If you can find that window between market open and lunchtime, for me, it's between 6:30 and 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. If you guys can sit at the screens between those hours, you guys can make really good money. Now, stay disciplined. Keep your position size in check, okay? Because we're going to lose trades. Sometimes I win the first trade, lose the second one. Sometimes I lose the first one, win the second one. So you're going to lose, okay? So you got to be comfortable with losing. The better loser is always going to win. With that being said, hope you guys enjoy the video. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see all of you guys on the inside.